If you're 25 and have less than 75% of your money in stocks, you're probably losing money without even realizing it. Seriously, you're not being careful, you're being quietly bled dry. There's this old-ass rule everyone's heard. 100 minus your age, that's how much of your portfolio should be in stocks. The rest? Toss it into bonds or safer assets. Sounds smart, right? Until you realize that rule was made in a world where people died at 70 and inflation was 3% tops. Today, you might live to 90, maybe longer. That's 20 extra years your money has to survive. Or more accurately, 20 extra years inflation has to wreck your lazy-ass portfolio. So if you're 30 and only 70% in stocks, you're playing it safe in a game where safety kills you slowly. Bonds today barely beat savings. Meanwhile, stocks over time are where real wealth comes from. Over 30 years, that little safe approach could cost you hundreds of thousands. Yeah, your money feels protected, but it's dying under the surface. So here's a better way to think about it. 110 minus your age, or even 120 minus your age, if you've got the balls to ride out the roller coaster. Because let's be real, you're not cashing this out next year. You've got decades. Real example, you're 25. The old rule puts you at 75% in stocks. The smarter version, 120 minus your age, gives you 95%. That 20% gap over 40 years? It's not just more money, it's early retirement. It's the difference between working because you want to, or working because you have to. Look, I'm not saying go all in blindly. I'm saying use these rules as a starting point, not a fucking Bible. Your age matters, but so does your timeline, your tolerance for risk, and most importantly, your ability to not freak out and sell the moment the market dips. The truth is, most people don't fail at investing because they're stupid. They fail because they followed rules made for someone else. Rules built for a different world. So don't just take advice, understand it. Challenge it. Break it if it's broken. You want to grow wealth? You want to stop watching everyone else get ahead while you play it safe? Then stop clinging to dusty-ass advice from 1985. Start thinking like someone who's gonna live a long-ass time and actually use that money. And if that's what you're about, growing for real, playing the long game, getting smarter every week, subscribe. Let's fucking build something that lasts.